I'm afraid that apecoin did not start this week well. Apecoin risks another massive sell-off as Ape dropped 70% in 2 weeks. Stay tuned to find out more, folks. Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, the place where we tell you everything you want to know and everything you need to know regarding your favorite cryptocurrency. In this video, we are going to be talking, you already guessed it, about none other than apecoin. And of course, I will be providing you with a price prediction on Ape. So if you want to find out where this price is going to go in the future, make sure you stay with us till the end of this video, because first of all guys, I would not want you to miss out on some of the very interesting news and updates that we have prepared for you. Now, before we go over the news, let me first show you some price details regarding apecoin. If we take a look at the price right now, we can see that the current value of Ape is $12.24, which is actually a drop in the amount of 3.24% in the last couple of hours only. Remember guys, last Friday, it was actually on $13 and some cents, so it has still dropped since then. The trading volume is down by almost 30%, 27.70% to be exact, as you can see on the screen here. So if we scroll down and take a look at the last 24-hour chart, you can see that in the last 24 hours, apecoin mostly traded in the red. There were spikes in the green at the beginning of the day. You can see over here, it went up all the way to 1288. But after that, it continued dropping and got us to here. So where is this price going to go in the future, you may ask? And that's a great question, and it deserves an even better answer, and I will provide you with it, but only in case that you stay till the end of this video. So without any further ado, let me go back to the news that I started the video with. Check this out guys. A euphoric price rally by apecoin seen in the mid-March appears to be exhausted already thanks to the coin's 70% drop in valuation in the past 2 weeks, and it may fall further in April. At the core of this bearish outlook is rising wedge, a technical pattern that forms as the price consolidates upward inside a range defined by two converging ascending trend lines. In a perfect scenario, rising wedge results into bearish breakout confirmed by a decisive drop below the lower trend line that typically takes the price as low as the maximum wedge height. Apecoin has been painting a very similar pattern since March 18. As shown in the chart below, the coin recently broke below its rising wedge lower trend line, bringing itself its proximity with the setup's theoretical price target near $9, about 30% lower than April 1st price. Take a look at this guys. Here is the chart over here. This is volume divergence, as you can see on this. Now, meanwhile, a clear divergence between rising prices and falling volumes across the last 2 weeks also indicated a weakening upside momentum, raising the chances of a drop towards the wedge target as discussed above. So guys, it appears that apecoin has been in a drop since the last 2 weeks, as you can see on the last 24-hour chart. But take a look at the last 7 days. The dropping sequence is obvious here. There's an obvious downtrend, and this is where the price is right now. Now, before I tell you the price prediction, I would need to say that I am not a financial advisor, so if you are willing to invest in any kind of cryptocurrency, you should do your own research on this. However guys, this is not the only news that I wanted to share with you. And yes, you heard it correctly, there is more news regarding apecoin. Now, you all remember the recent hacks that happened during the last week. There was a Discord hack, and one of Mutant Ape Yacht Club NFT was stolen in that case. But that's not all. Take a look at this guys. The most surprising factor of all is the descent of the apecoin's social presence. As mentioned above, this is the second biggest NFT collection with the NFTs with holders such as Justin Bieber. However, its domination over the social channels, which was at about 8% of the day on the day of its launch, it's currently at 1.47%. So this is a huge drop guys, from 8% to a little above 1%. For low social dominance, transaction volume does not look to be the primary reason. In fact, it seems apecoin's appeal to investors is pretty low at the moment, which could be acting as a hindrance to the token's growth. Now guys, you can check out the trading volume. The trading volume is almost down by 30%, 27.93 at the moment. and the price is still dropping. The holders are actually noticing this. Take a look at this Reddit post. Pretty sad week for us. And take a look at the drop noticed over here. This is actually the last 7-day chart that I was showing you earlier. Now, in all fairness, they could be a bit more active on their Twitter account, because if we take a look at their Twitter account, there is actually an announcement of the new play to earn game coming our way. That's the latest tweet. Apecoin's first play to earn game coming soon, pending final audit. 100% of all ape raised from the Benji Banana sale will be contributed to the earning pool by Animoca brands, and Adopt Apecoin start earning ape soon. So this may be a turn point for the Apecoin, but we still need to wait while this play to earn game is out. At the moment, the price is on a descending pattern, as you can see. So without any further ado, let me come back to that price prediction that I promised at the beginning. Now guys, with everything I have shown you, with the value of Apecoin dropping in the last 2 weeks and dropping severely, the social volume dropping as well, if you were wondering if you should enter the Apecoin community right now, it doesn't matter if it looks good to you guys that you could buy it on a dip right now. Honestly, my opinion is stay off of it at least for a little while, because this bear run will continue. This price will fall further down from this point, and after that, once the bulls take over a bit more, you can enter the community. Right now, entering the Apecoin and buying yourself some Apecoin doesn't seem like a good idea. If you like this video, leave me a comment, and thank you for viewing.